Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are drawing this super cute baby seal. Let's get started. Let's draw his head first, and it's going to be a big curve, like unfinished circle. And from the right side we are going to make this line a little bit longer. And once we have that curve for the head, we can start drawing a flipper. A short line first, following by sideways U, and extend the line, going back to the head. Another flipper will start approximately on the same level and under the beginning of this big curve, let's say here. And now we need to mirror this flipper that we got already. One short curve, sideways U, and go back to the head. Alright, we are going good. Let's draw his belly. For this we will connect two flippers with a slightly curved line. And then we will extend the same line after the flipper. Now to draw his back we are going to add one more curve, which will start above this end and will go on until approximately here. Let's connect these two dots. And we got the back here. And to finish the shape of our baby seal, we need to add two curves here for the back flipper. Alright, looks perfect. Now it's time to give him some cute face. Baby seals have big round eyes. Let's add highlights inside. I will add 4 of them. And I will fill the space around highlights in. A tiny oval for the nose, right between the eyes. Again, we will leave a highlight and fill the space in. And I will add 2 curves for his mouth. And this is basically it. Let's just add 2 cute eyebrows. And we are done with our line work. Now let's color our baby seal. And once we are done, I can show you a couple of ideas how to make this drawing even more fun. See you after the coloring. And here is our cutest baby seal. I'm very happy how it turned out. And this can actually be just the beginning of your own drawing. You can maybe add some snow around to show some background. Or you can add somebody for him to play with. As you can see, there is no limit to your imagination. And I hope I inspired you to draw your own version of this baby seal. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. And see you in my next videos. Bye!